Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, leave me your comments. I would love to hear from you. I do read every one of my comments. Please share my videos out. It would help me tremendously. And please hit that thumbs up. That's how my videos are pushed out to other people. I appreciate it. Also, I've got an update on my wife at the end of the video. This is tremendous news. Okay, let's get into stimulus stuff. All right, President Trump, he was asked by a reporter. She asked him, is $1,200 enough? He said, well, I'd like to see it higher than that actually. She also asked him, well, how much would you like it to be at? He said, I would love to see it very high because I love the people. Now, we all know Donald Trump, he's our president, yes, but he don't have the power to make the checks higher, make the checks there, make the checks go away. He don't have the power to do anything when it comes to this bill. The only thing that he can do is just tell him what he wants in it. That don't mean he's going to get it. He has the same power as you and I when it comes to that. He does not have any power at all. So people gets mad at him for the stimulus package not being as we need it. Really and truly, in his defense, he has no say in the matter. I'm not taking up for him, that's just the fact. Now I want to ask you, what do you think? Do you think he was sincere with that answer? Even though it don't mean anything, he can't do nothing. Was he sincere, or was he trying to get your vote? Please comment below. Let me know what you think about it. Mitch McConnell was asked on PBS NewsHour about food stamps and the SNAP program because a lot of kids are going without getting enough food. And they also was telling him the dangers of kids not having proper food. Mitch McConnell stood there with no expression at all on his face of concern. This man is an animal. He needs to be gone from office now. I wish I could have 5 minutes with this man. Or should I say, with this son of Satan. Because that's what he is. Just to talk. Just to let him know how I feel. That's all I do. Marco Rubio and 3 others introduced a proposal for a 7-day extension on unemployment for $200 per week. Chuck Schumer said no, but we have this bill that we gave to y'all 2.5 months ago that will give people $600 per week. Of course, the Republicans said no on that. They are acting like a bunch of babies that didn't get their way. I think we all need to change your diaper or something. I don't know. Okay, I got one more little thing I want to tell you about, and then I will get into the update on my wife. I want to let y'all know I do got a new shipment of stun guns in. The link is in the bottom, down in the description box to the website. I've got pink, purple, and black. But now I need to tell you, I've only got 5 pinks and 5 purples. And when those are gone, those will be discontinued. But I got all the blacks you want, and I can get all the blacks you want. So, if you want a stun gun, the link is in the bottom down there. Also, I have a new website for my books. I've changed the link to it in the description. The old website is still up because people may see it from other videos. It's still up and still working, but this new website is the one that I'm going to use from here on out. Y'all, whether you want a book or not, go take a look at that website. I really like it. I think I've done a good job on it. Okay, update on my wife. I talked to the doctor today, well, yesterday now. I talked to the doctor yesterday, and he said she's doing 1,000,000 times better than she was on Saturday when we talked, when he said that there's really not much hope. But he said she's doing 1,000,000 times better. He's getting her up to walk today. And and he's going to get therapy in to help her to see how much stress she can handle. They got her off of oxygen completely last night. They said she's doing really good. He said the next move is going to be to get her on the regular floor, and I think they'll probably do that today. He didn't say so, but I think they will get her on a regular floor so she'll have a little bit more freedom. And he said he would like to see her come home this weekend sometime. Ain't God wonderful? He said he could send her to a rehabilitation center for a little bit of extra care. He said, but I think you could do that at home, and I think she would be better at home. He said, if I send her to a rehabilitation center, they're going to want to keep her for a month so they can drain the insurance. That's what he told me. The doctor told me that, so they can drain the insurance. When in reality, he said she only needs 2 or 3 days. He said you could probably do that at home, and I think she'd be better at home. So I talked to her on the phone. She sounds great. She gave me a list of stuff to get at the grocery store for her, so she'll have it when she gets home. She is just so talkative, and I love hearing it. I don't think I'll ever get tired of hearing that lady talk anymore. Y'all, thank you for all your prayers, and thank God for answering all of them. It made me a very happy man. I love you all. Until tomorrow. Ciao.